Honey, your chairs are here! These are the metal outdoor dining chairs that my wife chose to go with the table that I built for the deck. Believe it or not, there's 4 chairs in there. So I just thought I would show you the unboxing and assembly procedure. These are the backs, and these are the seats. You can see you have padding between each one to protect it during shipping, as well as got these covers on the legs, cover the feet to protect them. The backs are also packaged very well. These are 2 backs together. And you got cardboard wrapping here to protect it, foam wrapping over the back splats. This bag contains the hardware. You open it up and there are 4 individual packets. 1 for each chair, including the screws and an Allen wrench. Instruction booklet, pretty straightforward, showing all the parts list right here. I'll start by removing the shipping pads on the seat, and I'm a little bit surprised at how firmly they're attached. Wow. Wow. So there are 2 attachment points here for the back and 2 for either side, and that's it. Of course, if you've been assembling things anytime at all, you've learned that you don't tighten down any of the screws until you have all of the screws started. Well, there it is. 1 down, 3 to go. Okay, so I have finished assembly of all 4 of the chairs, and it's very straightforward, just like it appears to be. Literally, the hardest thing about it is removing those protective shipping pads from the seat. That adhesive is just incredibly strong. But once you get past that, it's pretty simple going from there. One neat thing about these chairs is they stack. They come with these protective pads on the crossbars underneath the chairs, and you just have to slide them into proper position, but that helps protect them when you stack them. Well, here they are in place, and they've been working out very well. Obviously, she bought a second set in a different color, same assembly procedure. So if you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Are you not going to tell them about the tape? Oh, come on, you know somebody out there wants to know how you built this table. Okay, well, if you would like to see how this table was built, then click on the link that's about to appear on the screen. And I'll see you next time.